Bow! We're in. Dynaball. Woohoo. YouTube video. Whoa. Yeah. I'm going to win. Look at me win the first match. Right? Yeah. I'm going to win. Trust me. Trust the process. Give. Now. No. So if you blow me up, I would be really sad. Oh, god damn it. What? Huh? Finally a chest. I'm going to Jamaica. This is my house. In the middle of my house. My house. Wing. Wing. Oh, yes, I hit them. Wing. Whoa. Ow. Ow. Haha. I that was mean. Oh, I think that kill was because of me. That was good. I'm still speedy. Vroom. 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 Give me bomb. I want to bomb people. Please. Vroom, 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 and vroom. 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 Do you know what? Sorry, so bad. I have this something like that. I think it's I have a tiger. Is this the one we won now? No, a 2v2 I mean. How am I alive? How am I alive? Yeah, I'm not alive. That's how I'm alive. Ah, I didn't win, but third place is good. No, here I forgot. I haven't downloaded the zoom mod, which makes me see things. Oh. Oh my god. I see nothing. It was quite empty. Bad resolution, I guess. There's 2 people left on my team. What happened? Huh? Haven't? There's 4 people left. No, 6 people left in the entire lobby, and there's just 2 people on my team. Who screwed up and how? Oh. He died, and it was thanks to me. Yes! Destruction. Oh. I thought they were dead. You can get some. Ah, I won. It wasn't fun, I got 1 kill. And it was like, ooh, yeah, I got 1 singular kill. Okay, 5-3, and now I jumped 2 places up, so like maybe I can get a 2nd place now. First. Ooh, that's the Twitch kit this time. Oh, that's the person. I don't like you. Stop being here. Then you need away. Go away. I can't right click them. I don't know why I thought I could, but I want to punch him off, but I can't. What? Whoa. What? Whoa. What? Whoa. What? Whoa. What? Whoa. What? Whoa. What? Ooh, I'm going insane. You shot yourself. My home is not destroyed that easily. I will still stand. So as soon as somebody fires at me, I'm just going to jump off. God, do you know what? Let's build a new home. Better than the last one. Ooh, I got stuff. Ooh. Place that one there. Yes. Fire it into the crowds. Oh, I hit somebody! That person is almost dead. Actually, no, wait. Oh. This erased my home. I think I've worked too hard to build, and I am now safe in my corner. Please do not interrupt me. Just continue building my corner. Everything I've been trying to do is build a house. This is my house now. I should probably go get stuff. I got somebody. Woo! I don't know how, but I got somebody. Time to be in my house. I think they noticed me. My home! I can't speak. I just choose not to do it. My house. My house. Oh. We. Oh, I missed. Oh, how are they alive? How are they alive? Yes! Oh. They missed. Yes! Oh. Yes! Woo! 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 Oh no, wait, I'm not supposed to re-queue there. I won! I'm just better than them. I am just better. I get 5th, 3rd, and 1st. That is good. And all the skins below me is anime girls. Yes, oh god. I almost forgot. Outro. I don't know how to do outros.